Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn important computer science basic MCQ questions on data structure using C. After seeing this video, you are getting a confidence to attempt a viva in any practical question, and as well as these are very helpful in examination as 1 marks question answers. Let us come discuss these questions. What is data structure? A data structure is a method of organizing and storing data efficiently. Second question is, what are two main types of data structure? There are two types of data structures. One is primitive and another one is non-primitive. The primitive data structure example is int, char, float and double. These are also called as basic built-in data types. For example, here the int age is equal to 20. Here int is a data type, age is a variable and 20 is a value. Float height is equal to 5.8. This is an example of float value. Float is a data type, height is a variable, 5.8 is a value. Double salary is a double is a data type, salary is a variable, this is value. String is a data type, name is a variable name and Arun is the value. Always the string is enclosed in double quotation. So what are non-primitive data structure? Array, stacks and trees are called non-primitive data structure. What are linear data structure? Data structure in which elements are arranged sequentially one by one. Those all are called linear data structure. Linear data structure examples are array, linked list, stack and queue. What are non-linear data structures? Data structures where elements are not arranged sequentially, that is called non-linear data structure. Non-linear data structure examples are tree and graph. What is traversal in data structure? Accessing each element of a data structure exactly once is called traversal in data structure. What is insertion? Adding a new element into a data structure. Deletion, removing an element from a data structure. What is searching? Finding the location of an element is called searching. What is static memory allocation? Memory allocation done at compile time is called static memory allocation. Memory allocation done during runtime, that is called dynamic memory allocation. Next question is, what does malloc do? Malloc allocates a single block of memory. What is the function of calloc? Allocates multiple blocks of memory and initializes them to 0. What is the difference between the malloc and calloc? Malloc does not initializes memory, whereas calloc initializes memory to 0. What does realloc do? Changes the size of previously allocated memory. Next question is, what is an algorithm? A finite set of instructions to solve a problem or a step-by-step instruction which is used to perform a particular task, that is also called as a algorithm. What are the characteristics of an algorithm? Input, output, definiteness, finiteness, and effectiveness are the characteristics of algorithm. What is algorithm specification? Writing the algorithm clearly using steps or uh, pseudocode. What is a recursion? A function calling itself repeatedly is called recursion. What is GCD or a full form of GCD? Greatest common divisor of two numbers is called GCD. Which algorithm is commonly used to find GCD recursively means Euclidean algorithm. Next question is, what is array? An array is a collection of elements of the same data type stored in contiguous memory location. Why is an array called a linear data structure? Because the elements are arranged sequentially, one after the other. What is an abstract data type? Or ADT means abstract data type. An ADT is a logical definition of data structure that specifies operations. without showing implementation details. What are the basic operations on array? See, traversal and insertion, deletion, searching, sorting and updating are the basic operations in array. What is selection sort? A sorting technique that repeatedly selects the minimal element and places in a correct position is called selection sort. What is insertion sort? A sorting technique that inserts element into their proper position, that is in sorted part, is called insertion sort. What is quick sort? A divide and conquer sorting algorithm using a pivot element. What is pivot element? An element chosen to partition the array is called pivot. What is binary search? It is a searching technique that repeatedly divides sorted array into halves. Why is binary search faster? Because the search is space is reduced by half each step. What is queue? A queue is a linear data structure that is also called as FIFO. That is FIFO means first in, first out. For example, ticket line. What are the types of queue? There are four types of queues are there: simple queue, circular queue, double-ended queue, and priority queue. What is simple queue? The insertion occurs at rear and deletion occurs at front is called simple queue. What is a tree? A tree is a non-linear hierarchical data structure consisting of nodes connected by edges. What is binary tree? A binary tree is a tree where each node has at most two children. What is a binary search tree? A binary tree where left subtree contains smaller values, a right subtree contains larger values. What is tree traversal? Traversal means visiting all nodes of a tree exactly once is called tree traversal. What is pre-order traversal? Traversal from root, left and right is called pre-order traversal, and traversal from left to root and right is called in order traversal, and traversal from left right root is called post order traversal. Next, in practical exam programming they can ask what is printf statement. The printf is used in C programming language to display output on the screen. What is scanf statement? The scanf is used in C programming to take input from the user. What is hash include stdio.h? In C programming, hash include stdio.h is a header file, or it is a standard input output header file. It allows us to use the functions like printf and scanf. What is sorting? Arranging data in an ascending order or in a descending order is called sorting. What is merging? Combining two similar data structure into one, that is called merging. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more computer science practical exam viva MCQ questions videos. See you in the next class.